Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen Keto Essentials, the series where I show you how to make dishes that are essential to have in your keto kitchen and in your keto cooking. So, what are we going to cook today? Let's find out. Are you on the keto diet? Are you tired of eating zucchini after zucchini, trying to pretend that they taste anything like real spaghetti or noodles? Are you fed up with it? Do you want something new? Well, then you've come to the right place. Today we're cooking noodles made out of meat. Yeah, my friends, today we're going to be making noodles out of meat. Yes, you heard that correctly. I ain't lying. Seriously, I ain't lying. We're making noodles out of meat. Now, in 2013, a chef named Rocco appeared on the Rachel Ray show and made spaghetti using chicken breast, ice and egg white powder. And I think that is when the first low carb noodle was born. I've also seen the guys at Chef Steps, which is an amazing YouTube channel, make noodles out of meat. And this was like a revelation for me when I saw this video. I was like, whoa, this is keto, and we've got to make it on Headbanger's Kitchen. So today I'm going to do just that. I'm going to show you how to make keto spaghetti or keto noodles made using chicken breast. Of course, I've tweaked the recipe a little bit to just give it that Headbanger's Kitchen signature touch. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's go and make those meat noodles. We're going to start by putting about 400 grams of chicken breast into our food processor. I'm going to crack 2 whole eggs into that. I'm going to give it a generous seasoning of Old Bay spice mix. You can just use salt, no problem. And I'm going to put in a tablespoon of psyllium husk. Then I'm going to give this all a good blitz in the blender till you get a nice smooth chicken paste. You can probably do this with pre-bought ground chicken as well, but we want to get a really fine mince, so I would recommend doing this even if you buy pre-ground mince. Once you've blitzed your chicken, you want to take that lovely mince chicken paste and put it in a piping bag. As you can see, it's a little difficult to work with, but don't lose your cool. Just get all that meat into the piping bag. Then I'm just going to cut the tip off the piping bag. If you want a thicker noodle, make sure the hole is bigger. If you want a thinner noodle, make sure the hole is smaller. Once that's done, I'm going to get a pot of salted water on the stove and I'm going to bring it to a very gentle simmer. Once the water is hot enough, I'm going to pipe in the chicken mince and just go round and round so that it doesn't get tangled up and break. And this just takes about 15 to 20 seconds to cook. Once the noodles come up to the surface, they're pretty much done. Take them out with a slotted spoon and then just keep piping in those noodles. Oh yeah, look at those delicious chicken noodles or chicken spaghetti, whatever you want to call it. In fact, it looks a bit like bucatini, which is the very thick spaghetti. I think it's called bucatini. My Italian friends tell me if I'm correct or wrong. Anyway, once you've cooked a good amount of noodles, that's it, you're good to go. And your meat noodles or your meat spaghetti is ready, and now you can use it to make any kind of dish that you like. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's taste them. Alright folks, so here we have the meat noodles, and as you saw, they're pretty long noodles, they're pretty firm, like they're firm noodles. Okay, I'm picking up broken pieces, but yeah, I mean it's firm enough. Look at this, it's a big jiggly noodle. And you can use, in fact, you know what I want, before you do anything, you tell me what you are going to make using these noodles. Are you going to make like a Alfredo sauce? Are you going to make pesto? Are you going to make an oriental style noodle soup? I don't know. You let me know in the comments what you're going to do with these noodles. Anyway, let me just taste them. It's definitely got a slight poultry taste to it. The Old Bay comes out nicely, so it has a bit of that taste to it. And this is going to be perfect, guys. I think everybody who eats meat should be making these keto noodles or keto spaghetti, because you don't even need to add protein then. Like, this is the protein. How cool is that? I'm quite excited. And if I have any tips to give you, the water in which you boil the noodles, reduce that down and use it in some dish. It's as good as a chicken broth, because, well, you cook chicken in it. So think about it. Great idea. Also, like I told you, the original recipe used egg white powder and ice and chicken, but I just said, why? Like, just put egg and chicken and that's enough. And you can't even taste the egg, it just binds it together. And the psyllium husk actually gives it a bit of lightness, so it's not a very dense noodle. So yeah, I'm quite pleased. If I have anything else to tell you, I'll put it in the blog post on headbangerskitchen.com. And yeah, till the next episode, cheers and keep cooking.